अस्सलाम वालेकुम। डॉक्टर हुसैन बुश कोलाची यूट्यूब चैनल से आज हम मुखातिब हैं और आज भी हम MD कैट के सिलसिले में आप लोगों से मुखातिब होंगे। थोड़ी हमने डेटा कलेक्शन की है कि 38,000 बच्चों पे क्या खर्च आया और क्या ये हमारी इकानमी और हमारा सूबा और हमारे लोग इसको लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए बर्दाश्त कर सकेंगे। तो जैसे ही गूगल से मैंने कई मरतबा कहा है तो एग्जैक्ट फिगर थी 232 मिलियन रुपीस पाकिस्तानी रुपीस। एंड व्हेन वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड on the 38,000 students, the per student expenditure was 6,105 rupees, and that is in a one day. And even the time which was the original time of the test was about 3.5 hours, but overall time on this test was 9 hours to 8 hours. And you can see that a child having breakfast, hot cup of tea is called for 9 hours time, and your actual performance is required for 3.5 hours. I think that is a double time, and many students, they reported through their family that they were almost exhausted. And another point is that standardized tests are not the last. Teaching to the test is important drawback or weak point or demerit of this test. Here we have explored what we mean by the teaching to the test. It is a narrow scope because in the test you have to be 200 questions and given to the same pattern and to the same level and in a very time intensive way. While the teaching requires some time, a longer duration, days, weeks, or even the years. Suppose in first year they have 360 days, then in second year 360 days, so almost 800 days information is narrowed down into a 3.5 hour, which is not also smooth. You have to go through checkings, you have to be on the time, so on and so forth, and 200 questions will not justify the 2 years learning, and that will not actually capture the students' intelligence, into students' hard working. So that is one teaching to the test, and all the teachers, programs, curriculum, they will be diverted to face this test, and that test is not the making the doctors good. Suppose in Pakistan, if you see the infant mortality rate, though the test has been as old as 1 decade old, at least 10 years old, but if you see the IMR, infant mortality rate of Pakistan, in South Asia it is 38 and in Pakistan it is 52. That is a conservative statement. In my opinion, it is higher than that. But if you compare with the South Asia, then if this test would have been an impact on the health, then this sensitive indicator must have been improved. And another is the South Asian countries, they are spending almost 3% of the GDP, or more than 3%, between 3 and 4%, while the WHO recommendation is 5% at least GDP, but Pakistan is spending almost 1% of the GDP. So this test is one of the parameter, but it is not a complete picture for a good health. Another point is pressure and stress is more on such test, and some students go for nervous breakdown and even the burnout and other tendencies which I don't want to touch in this video. Then the narrow teaching strategies, because you have to solve the MCQs, so you are just giving the MCQs to your students during your teaching process, so on and so forth, while the higher skills they are not taught because they are not asked in such questions. Another is the people who are at the disadvantage, resources, distances, or even the background. Suppose poor students where there are poor schools, no teachers, or even the facilities of the academies and preparation of the test is not available or it is away. Such group of students is always performing less in such a test. This is not only in Pakistan. Then lack of higher level thinking skills, critical thinking, teamwork, sympathy and other things are not there. Though the Islamabad test blame was not leak of the paper or paper was not leaked, even then the reconduct is there. That shows that over testing is going on, and even in Pakistan this is in 1 year or rather in 2-3 months this is second test. So if you are doing over testing, and this problem is in the Western countries also. And if the MCAT in America, Australia and some other Caribbean, they are not producing good doctors, or their health system is not, even in COVID you can see that the Western system was not as good to deal with the pandemic, and it was the ultimately vaccine which was developed by the private Pfizer and other companies, and then the control was there. And even the WHO standards are not met with the MCAT test, and this is not a WHO recommendation that you should have this much test and then you should admit the students, but WHO says that the doctors should be trained in universal health coverage, in primary health care, in preventive care, while the Pakistani system is teaching the curative care. And it is, doctors are residing more in the urban centers rather than the rural centers, while our more population, 70% population in the rural area, while 20 to 30% doctors are working in the rural side, while 80% are working in Hyderabad, Lahore, Karachi. And even this center was, MCAT center was not in a rural area. Entire 7 centers were in divisional headquarters, where the rural people traveled while the urban people, they went to the near center. Another point which I want to appreciate the efforts of the IBA, but we should not glorify such tests that now every problem is solved. The higher admission fees are still a recommendation that you should have this much test and then you should admit the students, but WHO says that the doctors should be trained in universal health coverage, in primary health care, in preventive care, while the Pakistani system is teaching the curative care. And it is, doctors are residing more in the urban centers rather than the rural centers, while our more population, 70% population in the rural area, while 20 to 30% doctors are working in the rural side, while 80% are working in Hyderabad, Lahore, Karachi. And even this center was, MCAT center was not in a rural area. Entire 7 centers were in divisional headquarters, where the rural people traveled while the urban people, they went to the near center. Another point which I want to appreciate the efforts of the IBA, but we should not glorify such test that now every problem is solved. The higher admission fees are still problem. The number of seats are less, and even the training of the doctors is curative rather than preventive. And most of the fields like public health and even the vaccination, virology, vaccinology, and certain other problems. I was just asking to some of the authorities that we are short of the snake bite vaccine, we are short of the rabies vaccine, and we are not producing in enough quantity, and even I think the rabies vaccine is not produced in Pakistan. So a system which is unable to produce vaccine for their own consumption, they are either provided by the Gavi, WHO or certain donor agencies, then this MDCAT will not solve our problem. But I think this has cleared the way towards the medical education, and hopefully by the end of the December the admission process will start. And I wish all the candidates who are successful, and some of my sources, they have seen that the difference between previous test and this test is not as it was claimed, that the previous test had a very bad image, because almost every students in the previous test and this test has reached to the level where some of the same marks are there. So that also shows that if there were certain leakages and some malpractices, only that portion could have been given the second test, not the 38,000. And same was done by the Indian Supreme Court, where the students, about 1,400 or 2,000 students were given this second test, while the students who were in the normal range, they were exempted from this. And I will request the Sindh government that the other provinces have allowed the 3 years time period to the test, so they must allow this period. And second, the previous marks and the difference should also be highlighted by the IBA, that what was difference between the high achievers in the previous test and this time high achievers of IBA test. This is one research that overall average marks in most of the claimed tests, whether in the Western countries or even in Indian context, the average means mean secure score remains almost in the same level. So we shall request to the IBA that both tests should be compared, and the data should also be shared with us. And the private medical colleges, their seats should be increased. The Mir Khas Medical College should be started, though Mir Khas division was not given a center. I think in the future the Mir Khas as a divisional headquarters should have MDCAT. And Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, 4,000-5,000 doctors, they rejected the MDCAT, and they said that it should be a local test and the admission should be as early as possible. And Pakistan healthcare should be reoriented to the universal health coverage, towards primary health care, and more resources to the rural area rather than the big hospitals and 4 stories, 6 stories hospitals on big roads or in big hospitals. I think that they should be in every district a good health care system should be there, and our life expectancy, which is 4 years less than the South Asian countries, can be equal at least to the South Asian countries. We have 67 years life expectancy, while the South Asian average is 72 years or 71 years. So that also shows that MTCAT and such tests are not in favor of our healthcare system, and we can't spend 32 or 23 crore rupees on every time on any test, and that can be channelized to other sources. And we have another problem: out of school children are out of school or out of the schooling system. So these 23 crore rupees can be diverted, and one of the doctor from Umarkot, Dr. Jodhomal, mentioned that in Pakistan one doctor is for the 1000 people, but in Cuba 8 doctors are for 1000 people. So we can learn from other countries, and we want more doctors. And even the WHO standard for the health workforce is 44 health workforce for healthcare delivery system, but in Pakistan it is 15 to 16, as mentioned by one of the Dawn article recently. Dr. Hussain Bashkolachi YouTube channel will provide you the information on MTCAT, and I will request to the media and to the IBA and to the Pakistan Medical Dental Council that they should review all the strategies and local tests to all the PMDC recognized colleges be allowed in future.